Hello everyone. The coronavirus pandemic has shuttered education institutions across the globe. Closure of schools have shut down the routine life of students and teachers. Disruptions in education have created an unprecedented situation and thrown many unexpected challenges to the administrators, educators, teachers, parents, and students. The situation has created the new normal. The students who are Generation Z learners have coped up with the new normal as they are born in this digital era and they live in an online environment, enjoy watching YouTube videos, and speak the language of technology. They need to be taught differently. Therefore, the education system moved to introduce e-learning and develop learners' autonomy. Teachers switched to Zoom and Google Meet like platforms, trying to replicate the face to face teaching model. There was a shift in the responsibility, putting students in charge of their own learning, combined with different degrees of guidance from the teachers and support from parents. Students took the initiative and developed their own voice as they learn through activities, working on their own, also in collaboration with peers and adults. Their ability to think and act up to their own accord nurtured and developed, which really proved the point our respected principal ma'am just pointed her in her address that this pandemic provided a lot of opportunities rather than a barrier to our education system. Minerva is one such opportunity that targets to encourage innovation among the young generation as they are the nation's future. Minerva is an amalgamation of various class and subject based activities which showcases the students' inherent potential related to their understanding and in depth subject knowledge. The brightest minds are working to uphold all these innovative ideas present here today. It gives me a fantastic feeling of bliss to play the part in organizing the occasion each year in our school. And this year it is special as it has been organized virtually. This exhibition focuses on innovation at its best, as you can see from all the links being provided. We could not have pulled this huge exhibition off without the continuous cooperation and working of our whole student body, administrators, and teachers who have been such a tremendous support in making this event happen. Last but not the least, I hope you all are wearing masks and maintaining social distancing. And we all should remember to wash our hands thoroughly every time and quite often. Don't forget our Honorable Prime Minister's slogan, "Jab tak dawai nahi, koi dhilai nahi." Thank you and have a nice day.